How to backup and restore Vmail data. Open Vmail, a login window will appear. Enter the username and password and click on Login. Go to the top menu of the main window, click on Tasks and then click on Backup Data. A Backup Data window will appear. Click on the Browse button, and select a folder, or create a new folder for backup data. Then click on the Select Folder button. The backup folder has been selected. Now click on the Backup button. Backup completed successfully. Now to restore data, go to the top menu of the main window, click on Task, and click on Restore Data. A Restore window will appear. Click on the Browse button. Select a Vmail backup file. Click on the Open button. The backup file has been selected. Now click on the Restore button. Please note that this restore operation will overwrite all existing Vmail data including emails and address book. Do you want to continue? If so, click on the Yes button. Restore Vmail data operation completed successfully. Now you can continue using Vmail. For further assistance, send an email to support@falconmegasolutions.com. Thanks for watching.